Hello and welcome to the quick tutorial on how to use Twitter to participate in an online Twitter chat. So first of all, you'll need a Twitter account. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once you have a Twitter account, you can then begin using hashtags in tweeting. Hashtags refer to a thread of common topics using the same either topic or hashtag. So the hashtag for our chat is hashtag online teacher chat, and that's the one we'll be using for the Twitter chat. So you'll see the announcement. Using the hashtag, you'll also see the introduction question. To participate in the Twitter chat, all you have to do is tweet, and you can say where you're from and use the hashtag. So I've already done an example answer of, hello, I'm from China. So when the host of a Twitter chat is asking questions, they will generally be posted at specific times. So for example, they'll be posted at 9:05, 9:15, and so on and so forth, with gaps between each question and the questions announced ahead of time. So you'll see 9:05, question 1, what brought you to online teaching? The host will tweet Q1. This means it's the first question in the sequence of the Twitter chat. Followed by this, you will see it in the feed as well with the rest of the tweets using the hashtag online teacher chat. Please introduce yourself. Where are you tweeting from? You will see quickly the new tweet. What brought you into online teaching? To reply to this tweet, you can click reply, but you want to make sure that you're replying to the whole chat. So you want to put A1 in your answer, then type your answer. Sample answer here, and use the hashtag online teacher chat. If you just reply to the host and you do not use the hashtag online teacher chat, no one else in the chat is going to be able to see it unless they're already following you. It won't show up in the chat stream, which is using that hashtag. If you really love somebody's post, you can like it. And if you love something that someone said so much or you want to add to it, you can go ahead and retweet it and say something like, wow, this was great, and add to it. This way you're not having to just like, you can then add to it and really quote somebody's tweet and give them a shout out. Those are the basic functions of a Twitter chat. The main thing is the host will announce the questions ahead of time, and then at the posted time, they will post the questions and you will be able to answer them. The Twitter chat will take place for about an hour, usually sometimes half an hour, but then those move kind of quick. It's nice to have time in between to be able to interact with everybody's posts and be able to really kind of digest. I like to do Twitter chats while I'm kind of doing something else. Maybe I'm grading some homework or planning lessons for tomorrow. So I like Twitter chats because you're able to do multiple things at once and kind of have this fun, low-key social media interaction party going. Alrighty, that is it for this tutorial, and luck, and hope to see you at the Twitter chat. Thank you so much for watching.